Hi, I'm Kate Baumbach, and this is my CSI Senior Capstone. Originally, I was going to be using Raspberry Pi and a PixieCam to make a desktop rover capable of recognizing objects. However, due to present circumstances, achieving that with the resources at home became impossible. In its place, I decided to code a video game using GameMaker, as I thought it would still challenge me while staying within limits of what I could accomplish at home. My first challenge in making the game was learning how to use the GameMaker program properly, as I'd never really used it seriously before. So for me, the early stages of this project were trying to figure out how to use the sprites and the code together to create a working product. One of the easier and more fun parts of this project was creating the sprites, or the images you see moving around in the game. So when I was getting to the point of finalizing my sprites, I asked my little sister what I should make my game about, and she said I should make it about my cat. So here you can see me going through the sprites of my cat and the sprite of the laser pointer that he carries around to shoot at the daisy enemies. I also showed the mountain and the tree sprites that move in the background, as well as the title sprites that show up in the menu. A really nice thing about the coding in GameMaker was that it was very similar to the stuff I had done in Arduino, so it was a lot easier for me to pick up the coding in the program. So for this next part, I'm just going to be showing my code for all of the objects in the game that made all of the sprites move and made everything interact with each other properly. One of the hardest parts of making the game for me was this trigger area where the character moves through to get to the next part of the game. And I just didn't know how to do the code in the program yet. So I spent a lot of time on the internet trying to figure out how this worked with the program in order to get my character to the next stage. And this is the final product.